Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. TR Tony here, and as you know, we've been up to see Paul at Stag Classics for a little bit of repair on my car, but as ever, walking around the car park I think is fascinating, just seeing the other cars that are in. So let's have a wander and show you a few of the Stags that are in for servicing and repairs and rebuilds. Now, we have featured this carmine red Stag already on another video, so I won't go through it again. If you haven't seen it yet, it'll be up on the channel very shortly. Saddle interior, beautiful black hood, lovely car, and 1973 I believe, so it's on an M-Reg. Very, very nice indeed. This is Michael Ball's beautiful Triumph Stag, which is a lovely kind of yellow colour. Again, we've done a longer feature on that one, so I'll skip on past this. This over here is the intended colour for our UNY 49M, so we are trying to get our car repainted now in this colour, which is the original colour UNY 49M came in, and you'll have seen a video on the channel about that. Not quite sure the background with this one. It's got wire wheels on, as you can see, knock on, knock off wire wheels, looking really good, and obviously in to be put back together, a few bits and pieces there. The interior looks really nice, a beautiful white leather. I don't know if the door is open or not. No, it's locked, but you can see the interior already has been refurbished, and again is in the state of rebuild, with a saddle tan roof, which is kind of quite an interesting colour variant. And if I step over this way, you can see the rear. So I'm hoping my car will look something like this colour when it's finished. So we'll no doubt be down to Allen's in due course. Over here on the left, we have a darker blue Stag. Again, looks a little bit, it might even be an American spec, I don't know. It's got the rear indicators, reflectors on the back there. Obviously it's fitted with its hard top, and I think that actually adds a little bit of je ne sais quoi to the mark, especially in winter time. You've almost got another car, in my opinion. But obviously it's gathering a few bits and pieces of leaves and moss under the trees currently, but that's on a P registered car. Looks to be a Mark II, I'd say, looking by the seats in there. Over here we have a lighter blue Stag. Not sure what this one is. Again, looks original, sir, and just on some standard steel wheels for now. Looks like this one's in for either spares, repairs or rebuild. You can see inside there a few bits and pieces, but it's always good, I think, having a look around these cars. And if I can be really nosy, let's be nosy. So have a look in there. Looks all right, a few bits and pieces, but yeah, a nice colour, and I'm sure this will be up for rebuild, renewal, refresh when Paul gets the time to do that. There's a couple more over here. There's one under a cover that I can't really see today. One here in a English white, although English white was never the name, it was basically white on the Triumph Stag colour chart. Quite an early one, I think, by looking at the seat belt holders there. They're typically Mark I, I believe, seat belt clasps, as opposed to the later Mark II, although it's a Mark II seat. Darker brown roof on this one, and again looking okay. That's on an L reg, KCR 79L. Again, don't know what the story is on that one currently. And then last but not least, this is one of the cars from the Stag Empire video that you might have seen recently, and I think has been in for one or two jobs to be done. I love the wheels on this one, and you'll have seen on the Stag Empire movie that we did a few weeks ago the diversity of all their cars that they do. They really love their modded Stags, and I think that's pretty damn good. I've not seen this one close up before, but that looks really good. Registration, which I'll show you in a minute, is an interesting one. It's got a kind of red roof and red interior, looking very nice, with an interesting gear knob and steering wheel as well. And yeah, it's got all the traits of a wonderful Stag. There you go, there's the registration, HEM 4L ML. So there we are, with some interesting looking exhausts on the back as well. So hope you enjoyed that, guys. It's just good to wander around the car park, see what's going to be worked on in the not too distant future. Meanwhile, over there is Michael polishing away, doing his good stuff. He's here tidying up customers' cars for Paul, so making sure they go out in tip-top condition. But really, really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed that, guys. Just the diversity of Triumph Stag here is just amazing, isn't it? And great to meet the mechanics and Paul and Michael whilst we're here as well. Always a hive of activity if ever you get the chance. Come on down and see what's going on. But that's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed the film, and we'll see you online on Arry The Stag very soon. Cheers for now.